If you've ever wanted to copy the exact look and style of text in LibreOffice Writer without manually changing font, size, bold, color, or spacing one setting at a time, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to copy formatting in LibreOffice Writer using the Clone Formatting tool, so you can quickly apply the same style to other text in your document. This is a simple time-saving trick that can make your documents look more professional in just a few clicks. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, open the Writer document you want to work on. This can be an existing document with text that already has the formatting you want, or a new document where you've typed in a heading, paragraph, or any other text style you want to reuse. Next, look through your document and select the text that has the formatting you want to copy. This is the source text, meaning it already contains the style you want to duplicate. Make sure you highlight the correct text, because LibreOffice will use that selection as the formatting reference. Once the text is selected, go up to the toolbar and click the Clone Formatting button. This tool is sometimes shown like a paintbrush icon, and it works like a format painter in other word processors. After clicking it, your mouse pointer may change, which means the formatting tool is now active and ready to apply the style elsewhere. Now select the new text where you want the formatting to appear. You can highlight a single word, a sentence, a paragraph, or even a larger section of text, depending on what you want to change. As soon as you select the new text, LibreOffice Writer will apply the copied formatting to it. You should now see that the font, size, style, and other formatting details match the original text you selected earlier. If you want to apply the same formatting to more than one section, you may need to click the Clone Formatting button again and repeat the process for the next piece of text. This is especially useful when you're cleaning up reports, school projects, resumes, or any document where consistency matters. It saves you from manually matching each line by hand, and it makes your workflow much faster. Another helpful tip is to zoom in on your document or use clear formatting examples so you can easily pick the exact style you want to copy. And if you accidentally select the wrong text, just undo the change and try again. That's one of the reasons this method is so beginner-friendly. So to quickly recap, open LibreOffice, open your Writer document, select the formatted text, click Clone Formatting, and then select the new text to apply the same style. That's all it takes to copy formatting in LibreOffice Writer. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful LibreOffice tips, shortcuts, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.